Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Beach Camper. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle, the Beach features 2 chrome stripes across the radiator grille, as well as a set of front parking sensors across the lower portion of the front bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 17-inch woodstock alloy wheels, which come in a black and silver colour. The vehicle also features a set of mud flaps across all 4 wheels. Up top, we have the manual pop-up roof, as well as a roll-out awning in a black housing. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Let's take a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the Beach. Plenty of storage space beneath here. There's also 3 additional trays that can be accessed from the rear or underneath the rear passenger seat. The vehicle also features a multi-flex board, which brings the same height level once the rear seats have been folded down. In the rear passenger area, there is a 3-seater passenger bench, along with some custom carpets that have a VW logo on them. The camper comes with a single hob burner, as well as a kitchen prep space. This whole arrangement can be tucked away very nicely into the door card when not being used. Just beneath this area, there is the storage for a singular gas bottle, and underneath the seats we have 3 pull-out drawers. Once the rear seats have been folded down, there is a very spacious 2-berth sleeping area. For added comfort, there is also a comfort mattress, ensuring you get a good night's sleep. Moving up to the front cab area, there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece, and also come with a swivelling function. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that comes with the Discover Media navigation. This system also allows users to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This camper comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.